Have some tutorials of how to make the water more transparent. I didn't know it, but I guessed it. Here's a tutorial. Go to Ibis Paint. This is the transparent thing you need. Okay, first you need to make your watermark. Make sure you use the bucket tool and add the layers. Okay, like that. Now push this thing black. Now make the opacity to the thing you like. I prefer 66. Now push this and push save image. Now it needs to be PNG and transparent. Push OK. That's all. And now you need to go to YouTube. Ignore that by the way. Ignore that. When you make a video, right? I'm sorry for that video. And push stickers. Push this. I'll push image. Push stickers this. Wait for it. Please don't be mad at me. I was trying to teach you all. This may take a long time. Push this. It can even cover anything. Like this circle. When you put this circle here and make it big, yeah, it transparents it. That's all. Bye. Subscribe for more tips if you don't know. Bye. Ignore my brother's voice, by the way.